What if you could run a powerful AI model, completely free, completely offline, and with zero privacy concerns? Well, it's not a what if anymore. This is Gemma 4 by Google, running entirely on your own computer. No internet required, no subscriptions, no data leaving your device. And the best part? Even if you're on a low-end laptop, there's a version built just for you. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. Let's get into it.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
All right, let's dive in. Today, we're setting up Gemma 4. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to want to try this yourself. First things first, head over to Google and search for LM Studio. Download the Windows version and install it. It's quick, it's straightforward, and it's completely free. But before we go further, what exactly is LM Studio? Think of it as your personal AI lab, right on your own computer. It lets you run powerful AI models like Gemma and other open source LLMs completely locally without touching any cloud server. And here's the part that really matters. Your data never leaves your device. No uploads, no tracking, no subscriptions. Just pure, private AI running entirely on your hardware. If privacy is something you care about, and honestly, it should be, this is a game changer. Once installation is done, you'll be greeted with a clean, intuitive interface. Now, navigate to the Model Search section. This is where the fun begins. Search for Gemma 4 and you'll see several variants pop up. E2B, E4B, and some larger, heavier models. Now here's something you need to understand before downloading anything. Larger models equal better reasoning, more accurate responses, but they demand powerful hardware. Smaller models equal faster, lighter, perfect for everyday laptops. For this tutorial, we're going with the Gemma 4 E2B Instruct model. It's lightweight, efficient, and runs smoothly even on systems without a dedicated GPU. But if you're rocking a high-performance PC, go ahead and try Gemma 4 26B. It's a beast. Just make sure your hardware can handle it. All right, download the E2B model, and once it's done, switch over to the Chat section. Hit New Chat, click on Pick Model, and select Gemma 4 E2B Instruct. Before you load it, take a moment to fine-tune a couple of settings. Context length, bump it up slightly for better memory and longer conversations. GPU load, dial it down if you don't have a dedicated graphics card. Once you're happy with the settings, hit Load Model. Now, since everything is running locally, loading might take a moment depending on your system. Be patient, it's worth it. Model loaded? Perfect. Let's put it to the test. Here's our first prompt. You are an expert educator. Create a 45-minute lesson plan for teaching introductory Python to high school students with zero coding experience. Include objectives, activities, and a quick assessment. Hit Generate and watch what happens. Every single calculation is happening right here on your machine. No internet, no server, just your CPU and GPU doing the heavy lifting. And look at that, it's already generating. Within moments, it produces a complete structured lesson plan. Learning objectives, step-by-step activities, a 45-minute breakdown, a quick assessment, and even a professional educator-style summary at the end. Honestly, that's impressive for a model running locally on a laptop. If you're a teacher, a student, or just someone who wants a capable AI assistant that works offline for free with zero limits, this is exactly what you've been looking for. Now let's push it a little further. This time, we're testing instruction following accuracy. Here's the prompt. Write a professional email to a client explaining a 2-week project delay. Keep it under 150 words, apologetic but solution-focused. Simple enough, but let's see if it actually follows the rules. Generate, and here's the result. And it nails it. Apologetic tone? Check. Solution-focused? Check. Under 150 words? Check. The email is polished, professional, and ready to send with maybe 1 or 2 personal tweaks. That's it. Now, here's the moment of truth. Is this actually working offline? Look, no Wi-Fi connection, completely disconnected, and the model still generating responses without a single hiccup. Everything is running locally, no internet required, no cloud dependency, just you and your machine. So let's wrap this up. Gemma 4 on LM Studio is one of the most powerful free tools available right now for anyone who wants a private offline AI assistant. No subscriptions, no usage caps, no data leaving your device. Whether you're a teacher, a developer, a writer, or just someone curious about AI, this setup gives you full control, completely for free. Have you tried it yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. And if this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next AI deep dive. See you in the next one.